Boneset, botanically known as Eupatorium perfoliatum, is a time-honored medicinal herb with a reputation that spans centuries. Known for its resilience in wetland habitats and distinctively perforated leaves, boneset has been a staple in traditional medicine, particularly among indigenous peoples and early settlers in North America. Revered as a remedy for a host of ailments, this remarkable herb offers a range of health benefits that have made it a favorite among herbalists and natural medicine practitioners. From alleviating fever and pain to supporting immune health, boneset's therapeutic potential stems from its array of active compounds, including sesquiterpene lactones, flavonoids, and polysaccharides. These components work in harmony to deliver impressive health benefits. Today, we explore the top 10 health benefits of boneset in detail. Number 1. Immune System Booster. A robust immune system is essential for maintaining health, and boneset excels at providing the support needed to ward off illnesses. The herb stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are the body's primary defense against infections. Its polysaccharides and flavonoids bolster the immune response, making boneset a valuable ally during cold and flu seasons. Boneset doesn't merely address symptoms, it enhances the body's resilience, helping individuals recover more quickly from viral and bacterial infections. Its immune-boosting effects have earned it a well-deserved reputation as a preventive remedy. Number 2. Fever reduction and diaphoretic action. Historically, boneset has been a go-to remedy for fevers, particularly those associated with influenza. Its nickname, feverwort, highlights its ability to lower high temperatures by inducing perspiration. This diaphoretic action not only helps to cool the body but also facilitates the elimination of toxins through sweat. By promoting a natural and controlled reduction in fever, boneset provides relief without the harsh side effects often associated with synthetic antipyretics. This makes it an ideal choice for managing both mild and severe fevers. Number 3. Relief for respiratory ailments. Respiratory health is another area where boneset truly shines. The herb acts as an expectorant, helping to loosen and expel mucus from the respiratory tract. This makes it highly effective for conditions such as bronchitis, sinus congestion, and the common cold. Additionally, boneset's anti-inflammatory properties reduce irritation in the throat and airways, providing relief from persistent coughing. By addressing both the cause and symptoms of respiratory distress, boneset serves as a comprehensive natural remedy for lung and airway health. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation underpins a variety of health issues, including arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and autoimmune conditions. Boneset's anti-inflammatory properties are primarily attributed to its sesquiterpene lactones, which inhibit the production of inflammatory mediators. This makes boneset a valuable herb for managing joint pain, swelling, and muscle soreness. By targeting the root cause of inflammation, boneset helps to alleviate discomfort while supporting long-term health. Number 5. Natural pain relief. Boneset's reputation as a pain reliever dates back to its historical use in treating breakbone fever, a severe form of dengue fever characterized by debilitating aches. The herb's analgesic properties provide relief from various types of pain, including headaches, muscle aches, menstrual cramps, and general body discomfort. Unlike synthetic painkillers, boneset works in a gentle, natural manner, reducing pain by addressing inflammation and calming the nervous system. Its ability to soothe discomfort makes it a trusted remedy for both acute and chronic pain conditions. Number 6. Digestive health support. A healthy digestive system is fundamental to overall well-being, and boneset contributes significantly to gastrointestinal health. The herb stimulates bile production, aiding in the digestion of fats and improving nutrient absorption. Its mild laxative effect helps to relieve constipation, while its bitterness encourages better digestive function. Boneset also provides relief from common digestive complaints such as bloating, indigestion, and cramping. By supporting the liver and gastrointestinal system, boneset promotes a more efficient digestive process and enhances overall gut health. Number 7. Detoxification and cleansing. The body's natural detoxification processes rely on the liver, kidneys, and skin working in harmony to eliminate waste. Boneset plays a supportive role in these processes, helping to cleanse the bloodstream and promote the excretion of toxins. Its diaphoretic, sweat-inducing, and diuretic, urine-increasing properties enhance the elimination of harmful substances, making Boneset a valuable herb for individuals recovering from illness or exposure to environmental toxins. Its detoxifying effects also contribute to a general sense of vitality and well-being. Number 8. Skin health and wound healing. Boneset's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties extend to the skin, where it can help treat minor wounds, insect bites, and other irritations. When applied topically, the herb soothes inflammation, reduces redness, and prevents infection. Additionally, Boneset promotes faster healing by supporting the skin's natural repair processes. For individuals dealing with rashes, sores, or other skin conditions, Boneset offers a gentle and effective solution. Number 9. Stress reduction and nervous system support. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety are common challenges that take a toll on overall health. Boneset has mild sedative properties that help to calm the nervous system, reduce tension, and promote relaxation. By alleviating symptoms of stress and restlessness, Boneset contributes to better mental health and emotional well-being. It can also improve sleep quality, making it a helpful remedy for individuals struggling with insomnia or disrupted sleep patterns. Number 10. Cardiovascular health benefits. While less commonly discussed, Boneset may offer benefits for cardiovascular health. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce chronic inflammation, a key contributor to heart disease. By supporting healthy blood flow and reducing oxidative stress, Boneset contributes to the maintenance of a healthy circulatory system. Furthermore, its immune-boosting and detoxifying effects indirectly benefit cardiovascular health by reducing the overall strain on the body. Incorporating Boneset into a holistic wellness routine may help promote long-term heart health. Despite its numerous benefits, Boneset should be used responsibly. Excessive consumption can lead to side effects such as nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. Individuals who are pregnant, breastfeeding, or allergic to plants in the Asteraceae family, such as ragweed and daisies, should avoid using Boneset without professional guidance. It's always advisable to consult with a healthcare provider or herbalist before incorporating Boneset into your health regimen, particularly if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. As science continues to explore the therapeutic potential of herbs like Boneset, its value in modern wellness practices becomes even more evident. Whether you're seeking relief from illness or looking to enhance your overall health, Boneset's time-tested benefits make it a worthy addition to your natural medicine cabinet. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.